Fuel lines on two-cycle engines typically pass through openings in the fuel tank, held in place by friction fit. Some are routed through grommets, while others are installed through holes in the tank itself. Either way, for a couple of reasons, replacing these lines can be frustrating. In this video, we'll cover a handy little hack that makes it a snap to tackle the job. This and more coming up right now here on Shop Tales and Lore. Fuel line replacement on two-cycle equipment is a common maintenance chore and comes around even more frequently with the harsh effects of ethanol-based fuels. But renewing this tiny plastic tubing can be challenging since it's oversized and extremely flexible, making it hard to feed the line through grommets and other tank openings. For example, the tank holes on this Poland chainsaw are in a small recessed area under the air filter and carburetor, making it nearly impossible to press the lines into the tank. And in the case of this location closest to the fuel cap opening, the line must be advanced at least 1 inch into the tank, past this shoulder, before we can get a firm enough grip to pull it through the rest of the way. These little wire snakes are designed to hook inside the fuel line and pull it through tank openings. They can be useful at times, but often the combined thickness of the hook end and tubing is just too large to pass through smaller holes. Next time, try this tip. Using a sharp utility knife, or better yet, an X-Acto knife, carefully split a section of the tubing down the middle, then cut away and discard 1/2 of this section. This basically reduces the diameter of the line by half, making it much easier to pass it into the tank. Now clip the end of the line to form a point, lightly coat it with a lubricant such as two-cycle motor oil, and use a small instrument like this dental probe to advance this split section of the line into the tank. Once the end of the line is visible and accessible inside the tank, grab it with needle nose pliers or something similar. I really like these 10-inch surgical forceps because they not only reach deep into tight spaces like this tank, they also grip securely and lock in place, so I can devote both hands to pulling the fuel line rather than having to maintain grip pressure on the tool. We'll put Amazon affiliate links in the video description for both the forceps and dental probe, as well as a replacement carburetor and fuel system renewal kit that works with this older Poland saw. And if you appreciate handy tips like this, if you're a serious do-it-yourselfer or home workshop enthusiast looking for a variety of helpful content in one place, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. And if we've helped you today, please take a moment to like, share, and comment below. It helps these videos reach more folks, and your comments help others as well. Thanks again. Now back to the video. At this point, all that's left is to snip off the split leading end of the fuel line and place it in position inside the tank. If you're working with the suction or intake line, remember to attach the fuel filter before moving on to the carburetor connections. Hey, thanks for watching. Here are a couple more videos you may find helpful. Be sure to visit our homepage for a wide variety of DIY and home workshop content.